Hey there, loan officers. It's Scott Groves, head coach of Consolidated Coaching here with HomeIQ, reminding you before we jump into the coaching that HomeIQ solves three problems, helps you keep in touch with your previous client, gives you a monthly call list of who to call and keep in touch with, and gives you a value add service to call your realtors with. On to our coaching. Now, here's the tab that nobody likes to visit, and it's the trainings tab, right? Everybody wants a quick fix, a quick answer. They want a system to be so intuitive that they never have to take a training. But the reality is HomeIQ does so much more than just sending out a single report to your client. There's a ton of opportunity here to build your business, research your agents, follow up with existing agents, potential agents, agents you've closed deals with in the past. And so HomeIQ has built out an extensive training dashboard. And other than the full 17-minute training that you might want to send to your agent so that they can see what HomeIQ does and why they would want to upload their database, the average training on here is 1 to 3 minutes. So what I would recommend is, how do you manage HomeIQ? Set a 30-minute block of time every week where you simply go in, you start your visit to HomeIQ by watching a 1 to 3 minute training, right? Put your phone on silent, close the email, minimize the loan operating system, and really say, okay, this is my half an hour to work on my business instead of getting sucked into my business. You go to the training portal, you watch a 2 to 3 minute video on some feature that you probably weren't even aware that HomeIQ had. Maybe you watch one of these training or coaching videos, and then go through and do the things that I mentioned, right? Check on your clients who are the most highly rated on the pre-mover score. See if you have any new leads from your website capture. See if the system has identified any refinance opportunities. Look through your activity field and see who's been interacting with their report, who you need to call. I can tell you a success story from this. I have a client named Reza, amazing client, bought a house a decade ago for about $1 million. It's probably worth well over $2 million now. And he's a public figure. He's written some great books that I've read. He's done some reporting on different media stations. And I've tried several times over the last decade to get in touch with him, but never picks up my call, right? Never wants to do an annual mortgage review, doesn't have any real estate needs. Well, he's currently getting ready to launch a new business, and the cheapest way to capitalize that business would be to do a cash out refinance of several $100,000. The beauty is that he's been getting my HomeIQ report, right? So as I've been going through, I was able to catch that moment in time where he interacted with the report, asking a question about how much equity he could get out of the house. I immediately responded with an email, followed up with a text message. And as of the recording of this, we have a refinance going right now for $1.4 million for him. Now, of course, these values are going to skew based on your geographical area. And I'm super blessed to do a lot of loans in Southern California where the loan amounts are high, but the concepts are the same. Come into the training portal once a week, watch a quick 2-minute video, watch one of these quick 3 to 5 minute coaching videos, and then start going through the various tabs on HomeIQ and make sure that you're staying in touch with your past clients. You're using the tool to the maximum of its abilities. And then you're using this to keep in touch with past clients and past realtors who you've already done business with.